On Christmas morning, I showed my mom frying egg rolls outside and I got a ton of messages requesting this recipe. So I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese egg rolls, also known as chai ya, 2 ways, air fried and fried. Soaking the bean thread noodles in hot water. Also rehydrating the wood ear mushrooms in hot water. I think I'm only using half of this Napa cabbage. Thinly chopped. The wood ear mushrooms have been soaking in hot water for about 10 minutes and it's ready to be chopped. It does look like an ear. Give it a really good chop. I'm just gonna cut up these bean thread noodles. This is 1.5 pounds of shrimp I peeled and deveined. Shrimp paste. This is about 2 pounds of ground pork. Garlic paste. Chicken bouillon powder. Fish sauce. Salt and pepper. A little sugar. Shredded cabbage. Wood ear mushrooms. Shredded carrots. Last but not least, the bean thread noodles. Now we just mix. With all those ingredients, I forgot the eggs, which is important because it binds everything together. Here's the spring roll sheets I'm using. These sheets are very delicate, so gently peel them. This is how you roll the perfect egg roll. Take the corner, fold it to the middle, just match this corner with the other 2 corners. A big scoop of the filling. Mold it into a log, but keep it onto this fold so all your egg rolls stay the same size. Corner, fold in tightly. Other corner, fold in tightly. And roll. Roll again. Brush with this cornstarch slurry as our glue and roll again. Okay, let's do 50 more of these. This is how you roll the perfect egg roll. Take the bottom corner, fold to the middle, just line the corners all together. Scoop some filling. Mold the filling into a log. Keep it onto this folded piece so all your egg rolls will be the same size. Fold this side in tightly. Fold this other corner in tightly. You see how my middle fingers are keeping the filling in place while I roll? And again, just tuck, wrap as tightly as you can. Cornstarch slurry for our binder. And just tuck and roll. Perfect egg roll. You want to place the egg rolls on a wire rack to let it cool. Here's the fried version and the air fried version, whichever you prefer. I just made Vietnamese nước chấm. It's a Vietnamese dipping sauce. 4 tablespoons of warm water, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of lime juice. This is for garlic cloves minced. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of sugar, Thai chilies. There's lettuce and cilantro, and I just like to wrap it up. This is Vietnamese nước chấm. First bite. I think my mom would be proud. Actually, I think she'll be upset when she sees this video because I fried it in the house.